Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Toyota Celica and this is by Hot Wheels from their Silver Line series, and this is from the movie franchise Fast and the Furious. So this is from the 25th anniversary series. 25th anniversary for the movie, not for Hot Wheels. So I bought this for MRP, which is $2.99. So let's unbox this. Okay, it does feel really heavy, guys. So here's the card art. So I do like this card arts nowadays. I mean, specifically on the Silver Series because they feature the full car instead of just cutting it out. So let me just put this aside. Let's have a look into the car now. Okay, so out of the box, the casting actually looks really nice. I mean, the interior detail looks really good, and it has rear view mirror details. And on top of that, it has headlight details. It has the Toyota logo, but okay, this time they actually did it really good. I mean, it is not messed up, and you can see the indicators here, turn indicators. So it has grill details here. That's really nice, but fog lamp is not painted. But anyways, okay, so it does have taillight details here. I'm really glad they actually went with the slightly off, I mean, kind of orange to showcase, that there is a tail light. On top of that, they actually, gave a border with black. I think we did an unboxing of Major at, I think a week back or so. If I'm not wrong, that didn't have had this particular border. That's what, you know, it made it look really ugly or look like, it doesn't have any tail light details. Okay, this one actually has rear wiper as well. That is really nice, and you can see the mud details here. So I personally like this kind of detailing instead of just giving a plain look or just putting graphics all the time, like the generic graphics, I would say. But this kind of things looks really nice because if you're taking any photograph, or if there is a drift table available nowadays. I originally planned to buy that, but I missed that window, so I might buy it maybe in near future. But if you are going to use those kind of drift table with this kind of cars, it would look really good because it is going to drift like this. It is going to look like it actually gathered some dust from the ground. Okay, so with that said, the rims looks okay. The rims are basic again, but it looks really good. So the body is fully metal, including the spoiler here, and the chassis is actually fully plastic, but it still actually is really heavy. And I really love the way they gave that chassis detailing on this one. It looks really good along with the exhaust details here. See, this is what Hot Wheels is supposed to represent. I mean, the details I'm talking about, but I'm really happy at least they gave that to this particular casting. It has front wipers as well. If you guys are noticing, the hood details also looks really good. So they actually really went, they did good on this casting. Even the door handles, fuel filler cap, everything looks really nice. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. I'm really curious to see how much this one weighs. 39 grams, not bad at all. I was not expecting 39 grams. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, it rolls good. Second try. Okay. Third try. Okay, it does roll really good. The rear wheel wobbles a little bit, but it's negligible. It does roll really good. So let's rate this casting now. So it does have all the detailing to it. So there is no issue at all. I mean, I'm giving it 10 out of 10. Again, if you guys are wondering about this small rash here on the windshield, again, that is specific to mine. Yours might not have, so don't worry. Okay. Again, 10 out of 10, guys. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.